Welcome to English Quizler. Today we have got 40 mixed English grammar quizzes to test your English. You have 10 seconds to guess the correct answer. Don't forget to comment your score at the end. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Good luck!
The correct answer is laughter. Laughter is the noun in the sentence. The right answer is he. Use he to compare Sam and Tom's height. The correct choice is spectacular. That's the adjective describing the performance. The answer is arrived. The train arrived at 9 p.m. last night. The right word is quickly. She answered the question quickly. That's the adverb. The correct form is go. I go to work by bus, present simple. The answer is are having. They are having dinner right now, present continuous. The correct choice is bought. He bought a new phone yesterday, past simple. The right form is had finished. By noon she had finished her report, past perfect. The correct answer is will be speaking. Next week I will be speaking at the conference, future continuous. The right preposition is at. The train leaves at midnight. The correct answer is on. They live on the top floor. The answer is to throw the ball to me. The correct phrasal verb is look through. I need to look through my old photos. The right phrasal verb is put up with. She couldn't put up with the constant delays, couldn't tolerate them. Bite the bullet means to face difficulty bravely. Practice makes perfect means practice improves skill. The correct quantifier is many. There aren't many students in the class. Countable. The right quantifier is much. I have much free time today. The correct determiner is each. Each of the cookies is chocolate flavored. He wants to be an astronaut. The correct verb is. The team is playing well this season. Ambiguous most nearly means unclear. Candid most nearly means honest. The correct pronoun is me. Between you and me, I prefer tea. The correct adjective order is beautiful blue silk. The right form is to leave. They decided to leave early. The correct modal is should. You should study harder to pass. The zero conditional answer is get. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. In reported speech it becomes he would come. He said he would come the next day. The passive form is you will be finished. The report will be finished by Friday. The correct relative pronoun is that. The book that I recommended was sold out. The natural collocation is decision. They came to a decision. The comparative adjective is harder. This test is harder than the last one. The past continuous form is was cooking. While I was cooking dinner, the phone rang. The future perfect answer is will have implemented. The correct noun is information. How much information do you need? The tag question is have you? You haven't met her, have you? The cleft emphasis is it was the manager who approved the budget. The correct past participle is broken. The windows have broken, so we say broken.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.